Hello everyone. This is Spark 10 5G from Techno, 256 GB RAM. This is 16 GB RAM, but it has 8 GB plus 8 GB we can increase. Okay, I just have already opened it. These are the product specifications provided on the box. It comes with 5G, uh, with let's see, octa-core processor. Okay, when we open, I got remove. Okay, so I have a device, and then I have a cover to protect the device, charger, the cable, and the SIM card inserter. This is nice. See, so it's quite connected. If you look at the phone, that has good background 3D. So this comes with a protective plastic, which I am removing right now. This has got 3D design. When we look, it has got the volume buttons, power button. It got C type charging jack with headphone cable, mic, and then we have SIM card. It says it has a touch on the right hand side. I have just on the phone. Phone looks good. These are the features being explained. If you see, so if I swipe right, it says welcome zero screen. Okay, I'll cancel for now. So it says if I do, I can have more features. So this comes like this. So this is how its setting looks like. If I go inside the setting, let's go to the storage. You can see it says it has used 21 GB, but total is 256 GB, and it has already got pre-installed apps of 2.3 GB, and system is occupying 19 GB out of 21. If we look at the, it has got AI assistance. It has also got their own while it says login to log Techno ID. I think we can create an account and take assistance if required. So these are the pre-installed apps which are there on this phone. So this seems to look good. If I go to lock screen, so if I say let me change the theme also, light and dark. This is lock screen feature. If I go to security, if I say fingerprint, set screen lock, it says first. So suppose I insert the pin. Okay, suppose this is done. If I say add fingerprint, it says that finger would be taken from the right hand side. Let's check it out. So if I Okay, yes, it's accepting. You can see I can put my finger. So finish. This is good. So if I'm locking the phone, I can touch and it's unlocks very fast. Overall, this is good. I'll share the review after using it for 2 days. I need to insert the SIM. The SIM opener is there. Thank you, everyone. We'll get back.